What's going on? Because there's a bunch of people here.
Sure.
Different.
I walked out
different radio
after
stations.
they already called you guys.
Okay.
So she actually would be able to tell you better what happened.
All right, let me try to figure out what the heck's going on here. What's going on?
So our friend, bridesmaid, her boyfriend rolled up with her 3 kids that weren't invited, and he threw the kids at her. And she's drunk, can't drive. He's a drug dealer. She's drunk, and we don't want the kids to go home with them.
Okay.
So that's what's happening.
October 8th, 2021, Palm Beach County, Florida. A luxury hotel, a wedding, 3 children left alone. She drove herself back to get them. Drunk? What happened next, she admitted on camera. Officers made contact in the parking lot. The first thing they noticed was her condition. Unsteady on her feet, bloodshot eyes, strong odor of alcohol on her person. She refused to give her name, refused to cooperate, and then refused the breath test.
We got a call about a concern about the condition that you're in, that you left your children here. Some people called in and said you were extremely intoxicated and drove away. So my name's Officer McGillicuddy, okay? So I'm just here to talk to you about what's going on tonight. So can you tell me what's going on with the kids?
No.
What's that?
No.
Step out of the car. All right, how much have you had to drink tonight? Step to the front of the car. Do you have your ID on you? No. Do you have a driver's license? Nope. You don't have a driver's license at all? No. Will you run the tag for me, Riley?
I did already. It comes back out to some guy.
All right, what's your social?
Some guy. This is my car.
What's your...
Answer his questions.
What's your social?
You don't have to be mean to me. I own this car.
What's your social?
No. Find out.
If you don't identify who you are, you're going to go to jail for obstruction. Okay? Are you McGill?
See, you already know I am.
Okay, but I ran you in the driver's license system,
right.
and I can't find you.
I am. I'm not playing the game.
Okay, so here's the thing: you have to identify. Shut your mouth until I ask you a question. You have to identify.
You're taking this call?
Yeah, I'm taking this part. I don't know about the children thing, but you need to identify to me who you are right now, because here's the thing. Here's the situation you're in.
No.
You just left your children at a hotel without a guardian, so that can be considered child neglect. Ma'am, I don't think you understand the gravity of this situation. I do. Okay?
Really
what
do.
is your social security number?
No.
How much do you have to drink tonight?
Nope. Nothing.
You had nothing to drink?
Sober.
You reek like alcohol.
I probably do.
You're unsteady on your feet. You have red glassy, bloodshot eyes.
Been in the same
You have a strong odor of alcohol coming off your person. Okay, so I'm conducting a DUI investigation right now.
Go ahead.
Okay, so what is your name? Hey, no, it's not for me to find out. It's for you to tell me. Because here's the deal. If you don't tell me who you are, you're going to get charged with criminal obstruction. That's what's going on.
No, I'm just mad.
You know who this is?
I've never seen that dude in my life.
No, but if you needed a lawyer...
Okay. Go away,
have a nice night.
What the fuck? You're not even funny.
All right, ma'am. So here's the thing. You are displaying many indicators of possible impairment. I'm conducting a DUI investigation. Are you willing to do some field sobriety exercises? No. All right. Refusal to do the DUI exercises as I've lawfully requested will force me to make a DUI arrest decision based on the totality of the circumstances and everything I've observed up to this point. And your refusal to participate in the exercises will force me to make a DUI arrest decision right now and can be used against you in a court of law.
All right.
Or will you do the exercises?
No.
Turn around. Under arrest for DUI and obstruction and child neglect.
Is there anybody here for your children?
Can I make a phone call?
No.
Not right now.
Yeah, she reeks.
Yeah, she does.
She had a lot to drink. Traffic 25, can you start me a feeling unit for a search? Let's go ahead and have her, let's go to the front of my car while I try to figure out who she is.
Yep.
Come on.
Why you gotta be a dick, dude?
Shut up. Walk.
Talk to me like that. Terry, fuck you, bro. You gonna take care of my kids?
Face my car. So, you're not taking care of
You gonna take care of my kids, bro?
You're not taking care of your kids.
You gonna take care of my kids, bro?
What kind of mother are you? You leave your kids.
I was...
What kind of mother are you? You leave your kids here. Bad mother, I guess. Because I'm a parent and I would never leave my kids drunk at a hotel with people I don't know. Do you even know who your kids are with right now?
Don't touch me, bro.
Don't jerk away from me.
Don't touch me like that.
Don't jerk away from me.
Don't touch me like that.
Listen to me. This is about to go.
I
know. Stop it.
Easy, relax.
I don't want to hurt you, but you're about to get there. Stop it. Yeah. Well, right now we need to find like a parent or a guardian. My understanding is that there was a male involved here.
Correct. He left on foot.
Is he the dad?
No.
But is he a caretaker of the children?
He was watching them during the wedding. He got mad. She was having a good time. Came, threw the kids at her. Left. They were fighting in the parking lot. She was trying to take the kids. I wasn't having it. This is not okay. This has happened multiple times. She was clean for a very long time and then started using heroin. This you gentlemen. Yeah.
I think she was sitting here tonight.
No, absolutely not.
And she just seems really drunk.
Yeah, she's drunk.
Yeah. If you guys could just back up a little bit for us.
Of course.
All right, this is Sergeant Hansick. She's going to search you. Come on out. And don't try any games like you just did.
I'm not. There's nothing on me, dude.
Hold on. Okay. Step right here. She's going to search you.
Fucking in front of everybody, embarrass me.
Face the car, please. All right, we understand you're a possible heroin user. Do you have any needles on you?
Are you fucking serious?
All right, we don't want to get stuck, ma'am.
Scratch your feet for some.
Do you have any?
No!
You're about to catch
God
a disorder.
damn, I'm
okay?
so
Stop.
fucking
Stop.
mad,
Stop.
dude.
Ma'am, stop yelling, okay?
Hey, listen.
Do not- don't turn around
Somebody
like
needs
that.
to bail me out.
Don't
This
turn
is
around like
not okay, dude.
Don't turn around like
This
that.
is not okay.
Do not turn around like that. Ma'am, stop.
Relax. Spread your feet for me, please.
You're making this worse. Calm
Please,
down.
spread your feet for me, please.
Don't fucking touch me, dude.
Don't kick, spread your feet. Stop it.
Stop it.
Spread your feet for me, please, Mickey.
Spread your feet.
There's nothing on me.
My trunk.
Yo, somebody better bear me out of jail.
Ma'am, you're in no condition to drive your
Yeah,
children.
I know. I came back to get my kid. Yo, if somebody doesn't fucking bail me out, I'm gonna be really
Mickey,
fucking pissed off.
Mickey, stop. We don't want to hurt you, okay?
I could tell the way you fucking pulled me away.
You're not allowed to yank away from us. I'm gonna keep
Yeah,
control
but
of you.
like I'm upset.
Okay, but you still have to follow our
This is
instructions.
my best friend's
okay?
wedding. I'm getting fucking arrested, dude. Imagine how she feels, dude. I haven't been arrested in 10 years. What about my car? Can you go park my car somewhere?
Yeah, we're probably gonna tow it.
No! Dude, please, I'm so broke. Please don't. Can you just at least go park my car?
Ma'am, there's a consequence.
Can you at least go park
Ma'am.
my... I'm asking you for a favor.
Ma'am, I'm not doing you any favors.
Stop moving your feet. I'm just trying to fucking help you. Carrie, I swear to God, if you don't fucking try to bond me out, dude, I'm gonna be so mad, dude.
Okay, Nikki,
I don't have a fucking warrant.
Do you have anything in your
I
bra?
have a license.
Anything in your bra, money or anything?
No, I don't. I'm in a fucking... You know, it's so...
Think you're gonna put your shoes
I
back
don't
on?
want to go to...
Put your shoes back on?
Dude, my...
All right, you've been placed under lawful arrest for DUI. I'm now requesting you to submit to a lawful test of your breath.
No, I won't take it.
For the purpose of determining the alcohol content, will you submit to a breath test?
No.
To a lawful test of your breath, urine, and blood. Nick, you need to listen to this. You will be.
About my driving.
You will be. You'll be committing a misdemeanor.
Dude, this
Refusal. Listen. Refusal to submit to the test requested of you is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Will you take a breath test? Okay, refusal.
When asked her name, find out. When asked how much she had been drinking, nothing, sober. Every indicator was already visible before she spoke a word. Florida's implied consent law means every Florida driver has already agreed to submit to a breath test. Refusing isn't a shield, it's evidence. Her refusal was logged, admissible in court. Refused sobriety exercises, refused the breath test. Each refusal added a charge. The officer had heard enough. DUI obstruction, and the charge she didn't expect felony child neglect.
shit off of me. It hurts.
No, so right now you're under arrest for felony child neglect.
Felon?
Felony child neglect for leaving your children here.
Dude,
Okay.
they're with my friends.
Who are they with?
Are you my best friends of 20
Can
years?
you mark the current
Child
time
neglect?
as a breath refusal?
I'm getting arrested for child neglect with my friends over 20 years?
All right, Nick, can you slide across? Where are you bleeding from?
I don't know. I can't see my face, dude. I don't know.
Did you hit your head on something?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll come in here and we'll take a look at it.
Anything for you, officer. Because I neglect my fucking children because I drink.
Did you fall?
I don't know.
Put your feet up first.
Hold on,
I'm just really mad, dude. I'm just saying, I don't neglect my children.
I know, but just watch
No,
yourself.
what do you mean you know? So why are you charging me with like neglect, bro?
I just said watch it now.
These are my kids. This is serious.
So,
This
all right,
is
let's
this
get back
is
in.
my listen.
Come on, we have to go to the hospital.
This
okay?
is my kids.
My guess is you did that banging your head on my cage. Okay, so let's go.
These
We have
are my
to, ma'am, we have to go to the
I
hospital.
take care of my kids.
Please sit down. We have to go to the hospital.
I got drunk, okay?
I know,
I don't
I know.
take care of
Sit
my.
down.
It's a wedding. I'm in a
Ma'am,
fucking bridesmaid dress.
Ma'am, please sit down.
You know what I'm saying?
Ma'am, this is why I told you to stop banging your head on my cage. Okay? Because now you have an eye cut. Okay? I didn't even see that till later.
Yeah, it's a pretty bad one, too.
She was slamming her head on my cage.
She was charged with child neglect, 3 counts DUI, resisting disorderly intoxication, and refusing to sign a citation. Under Florida law, child neglect causing no great bodily harm is a third-degree felony. 5 years per count. 3 children, 15 years of potential exposure. The prosecutor dropped the child neglect, the disorderly intoxication, and the resisting charges entirely. The DUI was reduced to reckless driving. She was found guilty of refusing to sign a citation. Final sentence, 1 year of probation. The officers get an A. Methodical, patient. Every observable indicator documented before the DUI call was made. Every refusal noted and used. Under Graham versus Connor, officers are evaluated on what they knew in the moment. Every decision in this footage holds up. They gave her every opportunity to cooperate. She declined all of them. Mickey gets a D. She refused to identify herself, refused sobriety exercises, refused a breath test, and admitted on camera she drinks and neglects her children. Florida's child neglect statute carries up to 5 years per count. 3 children, 15 years of potential exposure handed to prosecutors on camera. There is a right to remain silent. She waived it, repeatedly. One clear lesson: refusing to cooperate does not eliminate consequences. Every refusal added a charge. Her own words became the clearest evidence. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment should the felony charges have been dropped. See you next time.